Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys lock screen password remove setting. How to remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile. So friends, you want to remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile, you want to delete your lock screen password. So friends, how to delete lock screen password, one by one, step by step we will talk about. So first of all guys, unlock your phone. After unlock your phone, open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone security setting. After turn on phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So friends, you can change log screen password, and you can new log screen password from here. Enter your device password. Next, select your new password type. You can use pattern lock, draw 4 dots pattern. You can set pattern lock, and you want to use pin lock password. Enter your 4-digit pin. You can set pin lock password. And once you want to change your name password lock, so you can enter new password. You can set. So friends, I want to delete log screen password. So friends, how to delete log screen password? Click here swipe option. And friends, you have face lock and you have fingerprint. So by fingerprint and face lock will delete automatic in your iqoo mobile. If you delete screen lock, fingerprint, face lock will delete automatic. So friends, I don't want to use log screen password. I will remove log screen password. Fingerprint, face lock will remove automatic. You want to use face lock, you want to use fingerprint lock. Select first of all your screen lock password, then you can add face lock and you can add fingerprint. And friends, now you can use your phone without any password. Swipe, phone will unlock. And friends, you want to remove swipe lock, so you can remove swipe lock also. Open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting, open your device screen lock, none option, click here. Guys, swipe lock will delete. You can unlock your phone without swipe lock. You can off your screen, you can on your screen direct. And you want to use swipe lock, you want to set swipe lock, click here swipe lock. Then once you can unlock your phone with swipe lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.